Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, guys, and if your stop lights, brake lights do not work when you press the brake pedal, guys, stay with us, we'll explain which fuse to check. That fuse, guys, is known as the brake light switch fuse as well. Now, quick introduction, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below, guys. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. All the tools and parts, including the replacement fuses, guys, you can find them listed in the description of the video below. We have a separate video that will explain if that doesn't fix your stop lights, brake lights, what else it could be and how to diagnose the system. It's a little bit longer video, but check it out, it will be published on the channel soon. So let's start on it now. So first, guys, you will need to open the hood of your Lincoln MKX. Next, guys, next to your car battery you have a fuse box, this one right here, and you need to open it, guys. And how you do that, you have one clip here that you need to press backwards, and you need to lift it up at the same time. Check this thing out now. Now you can pull the cover all the way out by twisting it a little bit, and later you're going to install it the same way. So as you can see, guys, once we remove the cover, you can find the fuse numbers printed on the back side, and if you place it this way, it will correspond to the layout here, so that's very convenient. The not so convenient part, is that we actually, guys, do not know what the fuses are for, so that's what we'll be doing today, that's what we will explain, guys. Now the fuse for the stop lights, also known as stop lamps, brake lamps, on and off, we'll explain, guys, which one this one is. Fuse number 71, guys, the very last fuse right here. You have 71, 72, 72 usually is not used. 71 is the one for that stuff right here. And this fuse, guys, usually it's pretty simple to replace. We'll get the fuse box with the new fuses and I'm going to show you how to replace it. If you guys want to buy fuses for a very good price, guys, we're going to share in the description of the video below, guys, the link so you can check out where we get them from. Now that whole box, we got it for a really good price. Check out the link, guys, and it comes with a free fuse puller. So you just grab the fuse, pull it, and replace it, guys, and you're ready to go with a new one. Just like that. If that doesn't fix the problem, guys, we have a video that explains how to replace the brake light switch and how to diagnose the system. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.